Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to resize rows and columns in a table in Microsoft Word document. So in order to do that, I am going to select this whole document, clicking on this plus sign at the top left corner. Okay, so once you've selected this, you'll find an option in the ribbon called tab layout. So I'm going to click on here and you'll see that this is the table row height. So you can increase the height. So the height is increasing, as you can see, right? And then you'll see another option called table column width. So 1.6, and you can decrease it, you can increase it. Also, in this option, you can increase and then decrease it. This is how you increase the column wide, and you increase the column wide and row height. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you like videos and tutorials in my channel, please subscribe to my channel.